Hi, AJ. Good morning. I want to show you the correct way to solve these activities. So, what I want you to do is with your finger, you can move these words around. So you have to figure out what it says. So, I think your grandma wrote it underneath. I like to play outside. So you need to move the letters. I like to play outside. And then here, you're going to draw a picture of, oops, some grass and a tree, and then you, whoops, or we can say this is me. Give myself some hair. Okay, and then after you draw your picture, you are going to tap the microphone over here. You'll press start recording. I like to play outside. When you're finished recording, you hit the done check mark. You'll hit the check again, and then it's saved and sent to me. So I want you to watch this video and then try it again. Sound good? Awesome.